Welcome. If you want to connect a Bluetooth device to your Motorola E7 Plus, for the first you have to open the notification bar, then click on the Bluetooth icon and click and hold it. Do the same on the second smartphone or the device that you want to connect. And if you find here available device, go for the pair new device. You have to click here. So here I got my smartphone Huawei P30 Pro. So let's go for it. Accept the pair. And as you can see right now, our devices are connected. So as you can see, it's very easy. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.